But let's keep it with some more trading calls and picks to watch out for. We've got Ruchit Jain joining in on the show to share with us some of his top trading ideas, as well as Jain on the show. So let's keep it then, Ruchit, with some recommendations. What's on the table today?
Hi, good morning. My first recommendation is to go short in Coal India. Last couple of months the stock has been consolidating in a broad range, but we have seen within this consolidation it has led to formation of a head and shoulders pattern. Well, after a significant rally, if any such pattern is formed and we see prices giving breakdown of the neckline, so that's a negative sign and indication of some sort of more extension of the correction coming in few sessions. So we are expecting this corrective move in the stock in near term. One can go short with keeping a stop loss about 328 and expecting a target of about 304 in short term. My second pick is a buy call in Capital First. Probably my next two picks are from the mid cap segment itself, as since index is not showing any signs of as the large cap stocks are not showing any signs of up move until 8820 and Nifty's cross. So Capital First is one of the stock which is in a broader uptrend, and last 1 month we have seen some sort of sideways correction in this stock. So it's good that the stock has shown a time wise correction rather than a price correction, and last two trading sessions the stock has given a breakout from the sideways consolidation phase. So we are expecting an up move in the stock, and probably the stock has again resumed its broader uptrend. One can buy Capital First around current levels, keep a stop loss below 670 and expecting a target of 860 in about couple of weeks time frame. And my last recommendation from the mid cap space is a buy call in Mirza International. Well, on the longer term charts, the weekly and the monthly charts, the stock has been consolidating around its long term support zone since last couple of months. Now if you observe the volume activity around with the price in last 2 weeks, on the up moves the volumes have started increasing, which indicates that near the support levels there is accumulation going on into the stock. We are expecting on the higher side the stock to rally up to 113 rupees. One should have a time frame of at least 1 to 1.5 months, and hence keeping that time frame in view, one can go long in Mirza International at current levels. Keep a stop loss below 86 for target of 113.
Okay, those are some recommendations coming in from Ruchit. A sell on Coal India, but a buy on Capital First and Mirza International. Pragnesh, over to you then. What exactly looks good for you according to the according to you in the markets?
Two buy calls and a sell call. McDowell's is the first one, which I think has given a nice breakout at 2460, 2480 zone, which was acting as a strong resistance earlier, has become a good support. Also, it has moved about the 200-day moving average, which is 2500. So my sense is, and the breakout has happened with the good volumes. So my sense is it should move towards 2650, 2660 very soon. So that's one for the buy. There is a banking name which is a Union Bank. After yesterday's nice up move, we have seen the breakout happening in Union Bank with good volumes. Not only that, in the recent past we have seen a very strong development that has happened, which is called the golden cross, that is the 100 days moving average crossing above the 200-day moving average, which is a very good and a strong indicator. I think the stock in the near term can move up towards 160 levels, and from a slightly medium term perspective it should target 180 to 185. On the third name is Sun Pharma, which is a large cap name, and my sense is there is some bit of pressure on the stock, which is, so we have been seeing the stock underperforming Nifty for last almost 6 to 8 months, which by itself is a very negative factor. There is resistance between 765 to 780 zone, which it is facing at the moment, and I think as long as it sustains below this resistance, it can slip towards 730 and probably 710 in the very short term.
Okay, that's the cue coming in, and with that we wrap it up with all the top equity trading recommendations. But let's get in some commodity cues as well, and Ram Pitri, commodity expert, is with us on the show. Welcome to Buy Now Sell Now. Ram, what's your strategy on gold and silver?
Looks like yesterday's fall almost $40 in gold, and actually it touched almost 3.5 months low. Blamed on stronger dollar and big drop on British pound. I think this is just the start, and I would like to see prices drop another $25 before I buy again. So my recommendation both on gold and silver, we will sell gold at 30,100 in domestic market. with a stop loss of 30,300. My target is 30,850. And second call is silver, sell at around 43,500 with a stop loss of 43,850 for a target price of 42,750. These are the two calls on the selling side.
Okay, both are sell. That's of course gold as well as silver. Thanks a lot, Ram, for joining in, and thanks to all of you, all of our market experts, for joining in on Buy Now, Sell Now with your top technical views. Let's wrap it up then on this edition of the show. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for Market Sense, which will come up next.